Welcome to Agile on the Beach.
We've got an Agile on the Beach code of conduct. Ultimately, it's be awesome.
It's great to see the next generation of software leaders share their experiences and share their ideas with the rest of us.
The energy that comes from this event lasts for months and months and months. It's incredible the connections you can make, and there's people here from all over the country and from all over Europe.
There's so many different things you can go and see.
It's really encouraging for something to take back. We should try and implement some of it.
The sense of fun, professionalism, just the enthusiasm.
Just learning stuff about things that aren't your actual specialty, I think is one of the great things about Agile on the Beach.
I've not come here and not learned something genuinely interesting and quite exciting.
It kind of feels like a festival. Never seen anything like this before.
This is
This is
Agile on the Beach.